What up, guys? I got a Seiko Moonphase watch here. It's not working. Model 6F226059. And what we're going to do is see if we can get it working. Now, right there is a little slot in the back that you need to insert something real small to get it off. I like using this little screwdriver and just sticking it in and turning to the left and right. Now usually the back pops off pretty easily. Sometimes it takes a few times. Now this one doesn't even have a battery, but I don't have a battery that size. So I'm gonna try using this little one just to see if it works. If it does, I will secure it in place and we'll have a good running watch. So the first thing, I need to secure it with my finger and see if it works, which, yep, it does. I seen the second's hand moving, so as long as we can get that battery securely against that metal, we'll be good. Yeah, you can see it's working right now. Now what I typically do if I don't have the right battery, I usually will secure the battery with two things. First thing is a piece of tape just to kind of hold it in place of where it needs to be, and then some type of material that somewhat holds its place but is also a little soft and squishy, something like a sponge. I'm actually going to use one of those white Mr. Clean sponges. They seem to work pretty good, and you just need to use a small piece. The space that it needs to fill, it seems like it typically does, and then it does hold the battery securely for whatever reason. Now I'm only doing this just because I don't have the correct battery size right now and want to wear it. So I'm just using a piece of white tape, and the small battery is already where it needs to be. And then there's the sponge. You don't want it too big because you still got to get the back on, but like I said, it usually does a great job holding that battery in place. Get that fastened in, get the back on, and see what we got. Now, look at that. It's working great. Second hand's moving. If you liked video or learned anything, please give it a thumbs up, and thank you for your time.